Let's solve the fourth problem. The given implicit function is xy plus y square is equal to tan x plus y. We need to find dy by dx. Again, differentiating on both the sides. For this, we will apply the product rule. So x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of tan x is secant square x plus derivative of y is dy by dx. Collect all the dy by dx terms together, these two, and from here. So if I take out dy by dx, then on the left hand side you are left out with x plus 2y. If this dy by dx comes to the left hand side, then you will have minus 1 is equal to secant square x, and if this y goes to the other side, it will be secant square x minus y. So dy by dx in this case will be secant square x minus y divided by x plus 2y minus 1. So this is the required answer. Similarly, for the fifth one, the fifth question is x square plus xy plus y square. Fifth one is x square plus xy plus y square is equal to 100. Now differentiating on both the sides, derivative of x square is 2x plus for xy we will apply UV rule. So x into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y square will be 2y into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 100 is 0. So collecting all the dy by dx terms, we get dy by dx into x plus 2y is equal to, taking 2x and y to the other side, you will get minus 2x minus y. So dy by dx will be equal to minus of 2x plus y divided by x plus 2y. So this is the required answer. Similarly, the sixth problem is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube. X cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. So we need to find the value of dy by dx for this. So dy by dx is differentiating on both sides again. Derivative of x cube is 3x square plus applying UV rule here, x square into dy by dx plus y into derivative of x square is 2x plus again applying UV rule here, x into derivative of y square is 2y into dy by dx applying chain rule plus y square into derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx is equal to derivative of 81 is 0. So collecting all the dy by dx terms, we get dy by dx into x square plus 2xy plus 3y square plus the remaining terms without dy by dx, that is 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. This whole thing is equal to 0. Let's check the number of terms. 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 terms above. Here also you have 1 2 3 4 5 6. So there are 6 terms, right? So dy by dx will be equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square the whole divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this is the required answer for the sixth problem.